GE Monogram Garbage Disposal Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained GE Monogram garbage disposal repair technicians. We service GE Monogram garbage disposals and repair GE Monogram garbage disposals, as well as GE Monogram trash compactors and GE Monogram dishwashers, GE Monogram refrigerators, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.